Hi, this is Ruby Rosa with Premier Edge Marketing Support. Today I'll be demonstrating scheduling your social media posts using Meta Business Suite. Let's start at the VSP Providers Hub. Let's go to Premier Edge and click on Social Media Support. Here's where we're going to grab our content for our post. We're going to scroll to Social Media Content Calendar and select the month that we're looking for. For this example, I'm going to use November. Here we'll see samples of social media posts. Let's grab the content that we want to include and copy that. Scroll down and select our image and download it. It does ask us for our email address. And the purpose of this download, we're going to select social media and agree. It does offer two options. You can select either one. Then all we need to do is save this locally so that we can find it when we're ready to post. Let's return to the social media page, and just under the calendar is schedule posts anytime with Meta Business Suite. Scroll down a little and you'll see go to Meta Business Suite right here. Let's create a post. Very simple and quick to do. All we have to do is select where we're posting to, add our photo, paste our text, and let's just look at the preview and make sure, as it has here, we need to insert our phone number. Some posts require location, practice name, city. So we just want to make sure that we're editing that information prior to scheduling. Next, we'll go to scheduling options and toggle set date and time on and select our dates. I prefer these to both go out on the same day and time. Preview our post and then click on schedule. Thanks so much for watching. There'll be more videos like this one on the social media support page. And if you have any questions or would like to schedule a complimentary marketing consultation, please feel free to reach out.